In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Grok Imagine history. By the end, you'll know exactly where your past Imagine creations live and how to surface the ones you need quickly. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual credentials and continue. Being on the main Grok homepage ensures all your workspace options are available. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your view, it may look like an avatar or a small circular icon. Click it to open your account area. This section is where Grok groups your personal tools and libraries, so it's the natural place to find your creative history. Inside that account area, click on Files. Think of Files as your central library. It collects what you've uploaded, what Grok has generated for you, and importantly, your Imagine outputs. If you've been experimenting with image generations, they'll be stored here. You'll typically see items displayed in a list or grid with names, thumbnails, and timestamps so you can quickly scan what you've worked on. Now, to narrow things down and zero in on your Imagine history, click on Filter or Sort. These controls are usually at the top of the Files view and are the fastest way to cut through a long list. Filter lets you include or exclude items based on characteristics, while Sort changes the order so you can, for example, see your newest creations first. From here, choose the options that make the most sense for what you're trying to find, then click to apply them. If there's a file type filter, select images to focus on your Imagine outputs. If you see tags or categories, pick anything related to Imagine or image generations. Sorting by date is especially helpful. Set it to newest first to review your latest work, or oldest first if you're tracing back to an early experiment. You can also combine a filter with a sort to get very specific. For example, images only, newest at the top. As you make adjustments, watch the list refresh so you can confirm the results match what you expect. If your view feels too narrow or you're not seeing what you need, clear or reset your filters and try a broader selection. Once you've located the item you wanted, you're done. That's your Imagine history neatly organized. And that's it. Go to Grok, open your profile, head into Files, use Filter or Sort, and fine-tune the options to surface your Imagine creations. Thanks for watching and happy creating.